Hello everybody, it's Mark here from Alfresco Exterior Cleaning, Oxfordshire's most rated exterior cleaning company. Thanks for joining us for today's video. Today we're going to be talking about making sure that you find the best company to work on your home. So in this section we're going to make sure that you, the customer, ask the right questions to ensure that you get the best fit for you. So one of the things is the contractor insured? Now here at Alfresco we have £10 million worth of public liability insurance, which also covers employees as well. So whether we damage your property or our employees have an accident, both you and our employees are covered. In this section we're going to talk about health and safety, why it's important for you, the homeowner, and also me as a business owner as well. So all of our guys do a manual handling course, they do a working at heights, and they do first aid training before they even come out to a site, just to ensure that they are competent with what they are doing. Whether we're using a tower scaffold or our own cherry picker, then the guys also have training for that. So that's PASMA for the tower scaffold, then IPAF for the cherry picker. In this part of the video, I want to talk to you about training and how important it is to make sure that you, the homeowner, choose the correct contractor that has correct training. Not just a 2-day course, got a little badge, you know, I can do soft washing, or a closet chemist that turns up with a couple of barrels of chemical, puts a little bit of fairy liquid in and says, that's right, we're going to soft wash your exterior of your property. Here at Alfresco, we're actually soft wash systems trained, and we're actually only one of a handful of companies that have met the 5-star company. All of our team members, and when I say all, that includes even the office team, have to complete 60 hours of soft wash training each year to keep us accredited. So that actually gives you, the homeowner, more confidence that you're actually using an experienced company. If you'd like to know more about the service that we offer here at Alfresco, please give us a call on 0333 567 2727 or visit the website alfrescoec.co.uk. Thanks for watching.